Welcome to yet another edition of Share with RKB. Hope all is well. Mukama tukubyemu kasoko. Akenkuba okwange tuyisemu ku makya naye tumwebaza olw'enkuba eno because remember we are the pearl of Africa. So buli weather yonna tugiina ano nkuba musana and everything. Nejjuke baga nti agwenkuba wasaana soli so abalimi mwena mbayozaayoza okuba nga tebawadde weather akalungi ag'okuba nga ate mugenda kuba nga muyingira season ennungi ey'okusimbiramu. Olunaku olwaleero nga tuli mu mwezi gw'ekilove love. Ndi n'omwana muwala muta Pinky. Yes, Pinky ayambadde colours are love. So sikalaba nga ali mu love. Ananga okunya obulungi okuli wano. Just know. She is in love. Setagana kumubuuza. Because you're glowing.
Oh,
the colors.
I think I just take care of myself. Good health, the gym. It's not really about love.
You gym?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, wow. Well done.
Thank you.
Church kutula gym.
I just want to keep fit, tone my body, have a body goal. Yeah. Regardless of being like this, there is a way I want to be shaped.
Oh,
so
wow. I love that. Mwenye watu wasinga walozo genda mu gym, oyagala muscles, oyagala kusala mubiri.
No.
Yeah. But you want to be?
It actually helps with my mental health. I get time to think. Being fit, I can move for a long distance and being healthy.
True. Because even when you're performing, you need that
it
energy.
It even makes me stay away from a lot of unnecessary things. In this age, when I'm doing useless things,
yes,
I spend that time in the gym.
Oh, wow. I love that. I didn't know. Mwene mukimanyi Pinky agenda mu gym so kati mubeereeyo mumale ogati kujja kumala gejja out.
No, you keep your body.
Yes.
Omubiri nagwo guba ne body discipline.
Yes.
Remember maze like a month nze nga sigenze mu gym. When I go to the gym, my body gets back on track easily because it's used.
Yes.
So wonatuuka okugejja n'ogenda n'okolamu nga wakimanyira it's easy.
Right.
Yeah.
And some people think that bino kubanga oli mukulu olyoka otandika okuworking out my day n'abaana abato bafuna pressure, bafuna sukaali.
It's healthy.
You can even be small, then obana pressure.
Yeah.
You know? So well done.
Thank you.
Abaana abawala mukitegedde. So bwabanga Pinky asobola working out, what is your excuse really? Really, what is your excuse? The birthday, it is like my lifestyle.
Yeah.
I love working out.
Actually, so your status says workout.
I love working out.
It's nice.
And 16.
It's healthy.
You know?
And it becomes a habit. It becomes a habit when I spend a week without hitting the gym, I am stressed. I am like, I've not gone to the gym.
Wow.
My body craves it. So I think it becomes a habit at a certain point.
Bantu banja balwadde because of lifestyle.
Yeah.
Nga ye ebirwadde bizze bamugamba ddukako.
Genda odduke.
Tambula buko.
Yeah.
Bukako. Nga just bulwadde bwe bwafunye. Nenga libadde mulamu.
Of course.
Pinky ani amanya g'amatuufu. Sijja gabagamba.
Amanya gange amatuufu internet yonna bagasasanyiza. So amanya gange amatuufu mapita Nanyanzi Rahma Pinky.
Oba weddira ki?
Mbogo.
Nanya, I mean Pinky linnya lyo ddala ddala. Naye manyi stage name?
It was supposed to be a stage name, but bali mpita nyonyo. And when nali nkola my documents, nengenda ne swearing affidavit ne bagikyusa ku birth certificate. So negendera ku documents zange zonna. So it's part of era ng'Omunayuganda amanya gange gali asatu Nanyanzi Rahma Pinky. Yeah.
All right. Ofana mami daddy, you're so beautiful. Mama wanga mulungi akyaliyo. Bambi. I
am my mom's photocopy. Yeah.
Even the character.
Everything.
Wow.
Even the way I talk.
Yezala.
Yezala. She says that.
And
I'm the firstborn.
For real?
Yeah.
I never make.
3.
3? You're the firstborn.
Yeah, I'm the firstborn. I have 2 little brothers.
Now that makes sense. Kwanga bukula n'abaana abalenzi. There's a way you become a tomboy.
Oh no.
You're not. You're sure?
I'm not. I think it gives a kind of responsibility. You become a second mother, I think.
Of course.
And it just comes in naturally. But you just find yourself being a mother as well. And nzebara okunzi zako, they're very little. So, temuli mura tomboy, sinti bakuze ne adopting gembera zechirenzi no. I've grown up with them, like raising them like a mother when mom is not at work.
Like raising boys. Now being a mini mommy.
It's adorable actually. They're loving, very loving human beings. I feel like me I want to give back to boys. Very loving human beings. Like they know, they will tell their mom every day, they don't got to talk at dinner, like they want to talk to me every day. They cling so much on me. Yeah, so boys are lovely.
So they call you Rahma, not Pinky. But I call you a celebrity.
They know. They know. My little brother once called me Nangamba, Rahma jangu nchime kusomero lero kubanga abana nabagambye oli muganda wange ne bawakana. So I had to drive and go pick him up from school so everyone gets to know. She abagambye kituufu, so he's happy. And I did that.
Obulamu bw'okubanga balwawo okuzaako, weren't you lonely?
No. I grew up with my grandmother. There was a lot of other little siblings. So I didn't have any type of loneliness growing up. Actually, Nali, I used to brag about it. I'm my mother's only child.
Grandma.
But I think I actually still do right now because I'm the only girl.
True.
So yeah, but there was another nyingira second round, Form 1. That's when we went Zako.
Olokuliawo wali jaja?
Jaja abeera Bugerere.
Awas Bugerere. By then wabeerayo ng'omwana. Okuliramu eyo environment.
Actually, it's something kyenkuze ne neenyumirizamu ne ngamba I'm glad nze nakulira eri when you meet fellow girls, embeera zaabwe, ndeeyisa gye beeyisamu. You'd be like, I'm glad the world didn't expose a lot to me when I was growing up. It gave me an opportunity to grow up as a child. Netuzanya, netwezanyira mu nkuba, netubeerako mu nfuufu. So childhood jaja n'abatuzaako n'abanyumiza obugero bwa Wakayima ne Wango. So it was nice.
Ne bajajja baatulimbanga. Wakayima ne Wango sibeerabiraawo.
It was nice growing up.
Dole w'ebyayi.
Ebyo twabizinga nga netuzanya blada ne mugula emiguwa ne mugula obukoba ne bakutuma kugenda okuleeta amazzi n'okomawo leeti nga jiwunye. So it was a normal childhood, normal growth as an African child. Yeah.
Kiki wasinga okunyumira mu buto kukola?
Coming back from school. Buli we nakomanga ku ssomero, my grandfather, may his soul rest in peace. Yalinga, he loved me a lot because I was so intelligent. Kati nga nze buli nkoma ku ssomero nga sisooka kulya mmere. Nsooka kukola homework. Kati nga bampaana.
Ate nga by'oyagala.
Oyo omwana mugezi nnyo bw'ava ku ssomero talowooza ku kintu kirala kyonna asooka kukola homework. So I used to love that a lot, and I was his favorite child for that. Yeah.
Nozabeeranga mu buna. P7 wakoma oli mu buna.
P7 bambuusa class. I was in primary 6 ne bantwala okukola ebibuuzo bya P7. I don't know if it's against the law, but
no, it's all right. Abazadde abasinga babikola.
I went nga balaba ndi mugezi nnyo, so that kind of declined me. Okubeera nga I skipped a class. I don't actually recommend it even now because me, I know the effect it put on me. Yali alina okufuna ka first grade kanga kali pure, I got a second grade. Yeah, but it was okay. Alhamdulillah kasita najja.
Didn't you cry? Manya abaana abagezi bw'alaba nga taperforminze nga bw'abadde asuubira kinenge kimutomentinga.
I wasn't so tormented because nali mu UNEB nga ebibuuzo bye basettings, is it PLE nga sibitegeera. And I was like, let me just use common sense. Bambi. And I think some topics those abaana tebazibasomese, specifically you have to go to that class or catching up with specific topics. Kati I didn't get that chance. Now it was kind of hard for me. Nengamba bino bigenda kudda ngambi good naye it is okay nja kuddayo nsome P7 yange. Kati kasita najja ne second grade twali tubetinze ne mami nangamba osuka second grade noyingira third you go back. Yeah. Kati when I have a good second grade, yangamba Gambino, I'm taking you to secondary. Yeah. So on kaliko koze ka statement, you would not recommend omwana mobusa class. Kinjagala ozdemo okasimeke sira eri omusajja. Because ayina kyaba misinze omuzadde oyinza olaba nti mugezi nnyo noyagala omuddusize ku pace eya waggulu kimu affectinga. Even in secondary, bw'atandika senior 1 waawo, there are repeated topics naye nga bazisoma mu P7. Kati you reach in class nga banno babitegeera because topics they are aware. Naye kati nga gwe tewazirabako. Yeah, so it affects a lot. Gw'obanga alaba nti mugezi nnyo ajja sobola, but there is a stage gy'omukotogera gyagenda omumisinga ate mu affecting in the near future. Yeah.
Wow. Ate nga abazadde basinga tubikola nnyo. When COVID happened.
Buli mwana bamubuusa class, but it's not something me I really recommend. Era mami namugamba nze abaana baleke basome.
Bwekyaku affecting paka mu class?
Paka like ndowooza natandika okukachinga obulungi form 3 nga mmaze okuchoosing subjects zenmpulira nti kati eno nja gisobola. Awo nga ntandise no catching up ku topics nti eno ogenda okujjayo ate nga bebasomesa mu class eri kwe batandikira. So I was catching up as an intelligent child, of course, alhamdulillah, na catching up mangu, but it was not easy. It's not an easy procedure. Kati ya form 3 netandika okujagoling around naye waliwo era subject ezimu nga zo zaagana nze esonyiwa chemistry oyo nagamba
ate bali manyi wagala kufuna musawo. What was your dream job?
I wanted to be a flight attendant when I was still young. Kati growing up and studying literature a lot, I was like, I think I should go for law. Music and music happened. But I think with time, because it's not something I see myself thinking be a musician all over my entire lifetime. So I think with time I'll go and maybe stabilize and major in literature or go for law. Any of the two. So
naye ogenda kuddayo mu time egyogerako oba oyogera ku ki? Wadde mu class ki?
I got done with form 6.
Okay.
Nentandika ne university nisomako 2 semesters.
Nochita music. Aliwa yonna picture.
I think all my songs were good from Superstar, from my first song. But kati ya study bwe batena kutekinga nnyo. Even before Pichando was when nyimba ezaddaka the Superstar, I don't remember the line very well. Naye mu period ye nyimba nga zitandise okuba buli lwofulumya lukatinga audience
kogwe
ningamba kati soka tuwumuzeeko kimu
kyena kima mu class ntandise okifune.
But when I went to university still nali sisoma kyenjagala. I think that's when nafuna morale gamba naye kansoka embireke nze kino si kyenjagala okuspecialize in. I was doing bachelor's in information technology. Yeah, and it's not really what I wanted. Kati nengamba I have the results esobola okunkozesa kyenjagala because I have all my principal passes and subsidiary passes. I'm like, I have the results to do the course gyenjagala, but eno gye bampadde ate nze si gyenjagala. So I'm not doing this.
No, Chigana. After 2 years.
After 2 semesters.
2 semesters. Okay, that was the first year.
Yeah, the first year.
Okay, why to chiyingide munyo.
Maybe
what time ogameti kanda.
I tried hard. Bansomesa parts of a computer nga ate nazisomye mu ICT nengamba. No. My mind was not widening. I was still doing the same things I was doing. Maybe singa nakyongerayo I would have maybe gone deep with the course, but I didn't give myself that chance. Ate si kye nali njagala.
Wali oyagala ki?
Njagala kola law to major in literature.
Why law?
Because I feel like how do they call it? I have a favor maybe to talk and maybe someone listens. So I feel like I can raise a point in the courtroom.
Then mbadendo wa memi judge bambako ku kibanja bamufuddeeko those things, you know.
No.
Most people bagamba nawuli abinyo nga lutafunye justice, and I was like ngenda kubera lawyer.
I haven't faced any form of injustices. I don't think I can even allow myself be in such a situation. Kuba mpoza. I like to raise a point. Njagala raising a point. Ate njagala making sure nva ogitegedde. Ate ogitegedde watojja gunsingisa.
Kitofu.
Yes, so I've not faced any injustice cases.
So do you mean nti wano wakwangana nabako bagamba wagenda ko mufumbo when you're 16? Wali ku university wali ovudde?
No, I was still in form 6.
Okay.
Nga sinakola na UNEB, I guess.
Wow.
Ani
akutwala your daddy Jaja?
I've not grown up with my dad. I'm actually not even in communication with my dad. But he's there. He lives. My mom used to post clips of me singing on Facebook.
Proud mom.
Yeah. So I think I used to sing a lot at school. So I think this is when this guy sees me. Now he contacts my mom. Mwana aimba. Njagala atandika okuyimba. I can help her pursue her career after school. And my mom is like, ojja kwogerako naye. She loves to make me make my own decisions. Olabe, if you're on the same page, she will talk to me and me, I'll give you a go ahead. So her bro texts me. He texts a number. Mommy, I'm with number. I used to go with my smartphone at school.
At 16. Wow.
Then give it my administration. Anytime I want to access a phone, ngabakubira ngabagamba mumuwesi. Yeah, so they give me the phone. Jogera nae. He's like, but I'm coming back to Uganda. He claims he was in the US.
Okay.
I'm coming back to Uganda. I wish to see you. I'm like, maybe mujja kunchalira towards my ex-sons. He's like, okay. Ngabajja banda bamulaba. He's an old guy.
Names like that in the US, no gamba.
Not really. Nali
Sponsor.
muto new. I think that helped me make a life turning point of my life.
Okay.
Because there was a single guy taja mblambanga I wouldn't have woken up. Nali muto nnyo za mami's girl ate nzibali bankuza ekyejo nga simanyi naddira endiva waka. But in that process, that's when I got the guts to step away from home. Nenvao, I started living on my own.
So when he came?
In the process of wanting to marry me, and I didn't want.
So when he came back, no mulaba ngola guy mukulu.
He was
nasigala mu kumulamwa go kutekamu sente.
Yali kwogwa omulamwa for a little period until they told me, now this guy ayagala buli kimu mukikolere US, tayagala bintu bikolere wana, ayagala ogenda osomera eri immediately after the results come out. Now we have to work on paperwork so you can go. Ate, he's a responsible person. We need legit paperwork. Now legit paperwork calls for a legit wedding. I'm like, no.
At 16.
I'm like, no. No. So they tried to convince me into it. At a certain point, they told me to go and start living with a guy.
Wow. Who is telling you this?
My mom.
Oh. Okay.
She's like, we need to make him speed up the paperwork and everything. So you need to go and be there. So this guy had a big penthouse, variety of bedrooms. So they gave
rich,
me,
basically.
Yeah, he filthy rich.
Wow.
Yeah, someone who could live something like 100 million in the house in each corner, and then he
You're
goes.
You're kidding me.
Yeah.
Wow.
So they give me a room. I start staying there. I was there for like 5 months straight. But he was disciplined. He didn't do anything to me. He didn't go out of line.
Omulimu gwo gwakakola ki oli awo 5 months omukyalo omufumbo?
Tuula waka, kulya mmere,
Mpulira.
kundabirira na kuntraumatizing.
And who is traumatizing
This guy. There was kati nali nakava ku ssomero tubeera ne high school sweethearts. Kati nganze mbeera ku busimu bwange ekiro. This guy had bought me an iPhone 12 Pro as a success card, and by then zali zakafuluma. So I'm on microphone, sweet talking my boyfriend. Njogera.
Yet you're a married woman.
I wasn't married. That wasn't the perspective in the process. Yes. Now, this guy knocks on my door. When I was going to his place, I went with my little cousin.
Okay.
She's a girl. So he knocks on my door. I open. Who are you talking to this late? I'm like, I'm talking to my friends. He's like, give me the phone. I'm like, no, I'm not giving you my phone. He's like, give me the phone. I'm like, no, I'm not giving you the phone. Now he takes it by force. I lock it. So he gets it and it's locked. He's like, the phone is locked. Give me the passcode. I'm like, no, I'm not giving you the passcode.
Give me the passcode.
Yeah, I'm like, I'm not giving you the passcode. So he goes to his office. He brings a gun. He coaches it. He points it at me. He's like, I said, give me the passcode. I'm like, I'm not giving you the passcode.
Amanyo gajo sweetheart ku mundu jola.
Simanja nalinga jana nagalina. Nemga asigenda kuwa passcode. Kill me. I know he couldn't. Yeah. So my little cousin was frightened seeing a gun. Ate yali amanyi passcode yange because nali muwesi mugazanyirako game. Now she says, me, I know the passcode. Nze nga nvaako ndowooza nga laba sijja sobola. Nga kakwata bambi kakazi katunga akasika katwala. Give me the passcode. Nakasooka kasirika nga kakuba oluyinga kagisomerawo. Nga kagimuwa. He goes through the phone.
Omutima olina?
I wasn't scared. I was actually looking nga nsabirira afunemu ekimunyiza nzizeeye wa mama wange. Nagibeera nagisoma nakola byonna. Nakuba amasimu ewaka nasaba family meeting. Muwala wammwe ali mu nnyumba yange ayogera ne boyfriend bwe ku simu gye namugulira. Old man.
Right?
Nange. That wasn't a reason for him to let me go. He just took the phone. They were calling a family meeting. Actually, when they were coming for a family meeting, they came with all my clothes. And on cousin wange mamga packing ebintu byagenda.
Ofumbidwa.
Onzise.
wafumbiddwa bakugobye wamu kati bakukakasa
kyenjagala waka
bakukakasa
ne bamutwala ne bandekayo no phone no communication nga I am just there like that nange saakayana nabo I was there and I planned, I think in the process I planned to escape from home.
Awaka wano obeerawo nani wekka n'omwami oba olinawo ne ba help?
Nzekka n'omwami.
Okay.
The house helps came in. Yeah, they used to come, wash, do the dishes, ne balongoosa n'ewaka in the morning.
Naye nga takwatako ye omusajja?
No.
Ng'osula mu separate bedroom? Nga
twayitako. Mu nnyumba oyinza omusanga mu kakubo ng'ava mu fridge n'oyitawo naye n'ayita.
Housemate.
Yeah, exactly, we are housemates. So, kati ntuuka nga natolokako ewaka the day after my birthday. Ne banteekako police. Ne bantrackinga. Now I was somewhere seated ewa mukano gwange gye nali nzirukidde and some friend of mine yali akimanyiko nti nziruse ewaka najja. Ne mmulaba ne neekanga. Nangamba Rahma sorry ne ngamba ya bas ampaddeyo. Ngenda olaba police ezze. Ne banyingiza mu motoka bulungi ne banvuga mpaka ku police station awo ku Mawanda Road nga kwa Kasha. Ne mbagamba ne bambuza why did you run away from home? I'm like home. I'm like these people want me to get married. Someone I don't want to get married to. And no one is listening to me. I've tried to raise a point.
Yes.
Now I feel like okay, I'm talking to the people that maybe would help.
Yes.
I talk to them, I express myself. They were like, oyo mwana mmukwate muze waka naye agenda kubabeerera bazibu nno okumufumbiza. That's what came from the woman eyali ku police.
And your mom?
She was quiet.
But did you even sit her down and ask her why?
After, I did. After we talked about it and we got to the bottom of it. We made peace with it.
Yes.
Buli omu n'akireka.
You're talking about omusajja okutraumatizing. Yakolanga biki?
How? Should we go back there? Now, when I came back that day, nganva wenabula. Nkomayo waka. I sit down in a meeting with them. Nenjogera nabo. Now, this guy said, this girl has been so disrespectful. We've been talking to her. Instead of apologizing for running away from home, she was addressing us in English as if we are handmaids now. They were elders. Abantu abakulu abamu nga abamu tebategeera byenjogera ati ngekyo kyekyabanyiza kyokka, and that was the only point they talked about throughout the whole points I raised. That was their only point. Now they were not bothered about whatever I said. I know. Munaye nga ntuula nzirayo muka exile without a phone. Now kati simu bagitwalidde ddala tebagikuddiza. Nemberayo so nfunayo olunaku era nenziramu nentoloka. Natoloka emirundi ng'esatu. Nga ekikutolosa? Mba nkooyeeyo. Tolina simu? Ate oli ku bibyo atayomba. Ki ekimuyombya olwo? Atayinza bbulwayo nsonga. Ne bw'otoseka? He's a pick me. Ng'abeera akupikinga buli kaseera, abeera anoonya ekyokwogerako. When you refuse to eat, asobola okukyogerako olunaku lulamba. Tasobola bbulwayo kimwogeza, so okulaba n'okukulaba bulabi ng'otambudde leero ng'omulabikidde bulungi nakyo ne kimuyombye. Now you're looking good so that boys can see you. But I'm inside your house. I know, right? Anti nga ne ku gate bwengezaako fuluma. Tebanzikiriza fuluma ku gate nga ndi restricted. Now there was one early morning I was like, let me go and withdraw money from my phone. Then try to genda mu kyalo. Then I come back we go nga tumaze n'okusettinga bulungi twambadde. Nenfuluma nenfuna kaboda nengenda paka wa mukwano gwange. Olw'essimu bagikuddiza? Anti twali tugenda mu kyalo nga tusagendayo nga tampadde essimu. Now I sent him a message. I'm like, I've gone to my friend. Don't look at me. I just need to clear my head. I'll come back. Negoma nti obufumbo tebwakunyumira wadde. Yakugamba ko I love you or anything. Drama, he used banenga binyiza. He used to irritate me. Kati, this time around when nakomawo, it was bad. I think that's when the violence started. When nakomawo nga nvudde wa mukwano gwange gye nali ngenza okurelaxinga mind. Nkomawo ntuula mu kaliri bulungi. This person tells me, whose house do you come back to? And you don't even apologize for going out. I'm like, apologize? What did I do? I communicated and told you I am going somewhere to refresh my mind. Don't look for me. I'll come back. And I've come back. What is your problem? Nibangamba essimu jimpe. Era. Ova mu bwenzi. Nze nali mwana mtonga simanyi n'ebyo ebintu. I'm like, nenjimuwa nateeka passcode nga nagikyusa nangamba gimpe nemwe asigenda gikuwa nangamba now you either undress I pour water on you and beat you or give me the passcode. I'm like, sesigenda kuwa password ya simu yange
neweyira amazi
nenzigyamu engoye and headed to the bathroom.
Ng'omugamba wakiri
and he proceeded with the second option.
Nakuba sweetheart.
Don't do that. And people keep on saying, I say out this story like freely, like not in a way that is as traumatizing as it is, but I think it's a phase I passed through that I don't want to take my emotions back in. I overcried, I lost weight, my BP was high, Kati. I think I passed through that phase and I talked about it with mature people and they told me the fact that I'm not still in it. Techicha raising emotions zange. So I'll tell it as a normal story, but it was a life phase that wasn't as easy as everyone thinks. So it was a bad one actually. What
did you learn from this? Especially wawerwe yawali omwana omuwala emyaka jo era
seeing my life right now and reflecting. I told my friend today in the morning singa kyekisajja kyantwala singa ndi munzalo nga
zoka.
Yeah, so don't steal away your childhood because someone else is making a decision for you. No, if you feel like if you want to, well and good, you can go boba choyagala naye boba si choyagala and you feel like it's not where you want your future to be, don't settle for it. Always say no to decisions made by other people nga bazikolera mu bulamu bwo. If you have a goal where you want your life to be, just focus on it. Distractions is on us, say no to them. So me, I said no to that and I am here now. We reached the wedding. Hey, mbaga nebeerao and in the gown, I am a runaway bride. Actually.
Oh yeah,
yes,
that's the movie. Okay.
I'm a runaway bride. On the wedding day, that's when I ran away officially. Nali mazopangisa kayumba kange nengenda and started living alone. Yeah, so in the process of living alone, like after 2 months of ngamba katinze bona all family members
mami ani
bona ate wala ina access. So in that process, after like 2 months, I get back in contact with mom. We talk, settle issues out. I ask her my genuine questions. We talk. As a mother, she explains to me, I was just looking out for you. I wanted the best for you. I didn't want you to suffer. Blah, and the future was open with this person. But I also understand the point where you say you wanted something else for yourself. And I'm sorry. And I really respect your decisions. And I'm sorry. So we mended our relationship. My mother is my best friend. Mended our relationship and we are good.
Thank you for that. Very for giving your mother.
Yes.
You know, sometimes I was at the to call decisions.
Yeah. Solo out of good faith. But then there is a point where no man and I na chayagala. So at least sometimes let's look out for that. I think in this process, I'm like singa kale wangam, oba singa like singa twakyogerako, but we didn't get a chance okukyogerako before things escalated. But at least twamala nitukyogerako.
Notegana point here. No,
understood her point.
Exactly.
Yes. And of course, if I went with this man, me life yandibadde
ndalamu
nyo
neka senga sijjaja joli
no singa sirina happy singa nina life just experiences but me I'm glad with the life path I took chenali njagala and me I see a future with being a woman I want to be.
Yes. So you know abazadde abasinga tugera ntukuza abaana afe mugeje batukuzaamu fedda nga omuzadde addibwamu omuzadde bwayogera kikina kuba kyekyo naye ate kati ng'ebintu bikyuseemu abaana bali exposed to information buli kimu bakifuna nga bwe bakyagala. So what do you think like yalibadde proper way to talk to our children being that oyise mweyo embeera yakunyigiriza ate nga ne mami mwali yalibadde protecting?
If I was in the same shoes, I believe in making our girls our best friends. Yeah. So if you really have a friendship with your child, that's when you sit down. No yogera naye. No muwa cholaba. You envision what you think about the situation. Then naye nombuuza decision. Oyinza obba gwe cholaba akirabyemu amakulu n'agenda n'ekikyo. Oba ate ye naye n'akuwa proper view ku ye kyayagala. Then nawe n'okitunulamu n'okikyusamu. So you both discuss and get to one decision together. No mwana muntu. There is a form of humanity. Atajja gamba mama wange yansalirawo and my life went astray. Ajja gamba me and my mom sat down and discussed things. Era ebintu we byonoonekamu, you have a friend to run to n'omugamba. Tebigenze bulungi. And you get a way forward plan B, because tukkirize these people, our parents bali mature than us.
Of course.
Bategeera okutusinga. So you understand that with growing up. Twali tukulanga olaba nedda walayi mami awo musinga okutegeera. Naye wallahi nze the more I've grown up, tetusinga bazadde baffe kutegeera, and every time you want advice, please seek it to those adults because baba bakiyiseemu. They know everything. No, now if things escalate, you have someone to talk to.
True.
So I think abazadde bakome friendship eno tokyekubira nnyo mbu kyenjogera kyekiba. You have to listen to what your child wants as well. Nemutuula creating that friendship so you can make a proper way for your child.
I totally agree. Newankubadde nti line separating a mommy and the friend is very thin, but I totally agree. You should talk always to your child.
Yes.
Kati okubanga wayitamu eyo embeera, omuntu abasinga babeera ng'embeera ebayinze baresortinga ku biragalalagala ku biki. How did you survive?
Nali muto nali sinnabiyiggana nnyo kirabika. Simanyi kirabika nze Katonda yayampisamu eyo embeera because after like 3 months of okubeera nzekka mu period awo mwe nali ntandise okufunira ku bikoosi nga ngenda ku resonatinga nzire mu byabavubuka twonooneke. Ate that's when Edwin Paul calls me and they're like, Chef Chua is looking for you. Now I go to Papa and then Dimiko Natejaba, other adults.
Yes.
But these people want to bring back the child in me and tame a future for me. Do business. Now I sat down with Papa, we talked. This is where I started doing music, and then my life was guided again.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, thank God. Mukama yakuvuba.
Because atekawe kuwe yamvuba. Nanzijawo katati nantekera mu bantu abakulu abalala abanteminga, and they taught me a lot of life lessons, how to carry myself, how to be as a child. Nali ndowooza ntandise n'okukula like amangu ngate ndi muto engeri gye nali neeyisaamu, and then they taught me to be a child again.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Kati kubanga Chef Chua tutte, because I remember even I saw a post, was it last year in January? Wasa ekifaananyi kyo naye n'ogamba someone special in my life.
Yeah, very, very special human being.
Ekyo wali ogezaako otugamba. He was that special.
Yeah, he is.
Oba yali atatandise obyekkola omukulu oli.
No, he's still a special dad to me. Anytime I will run to him, I will be received as a child. No. He has never. He loved me, he tamed me, he was a father and the sinners. I've not grown up with my dad. He lives though. Sikuze naye, I've tried to get his contacts and create a relationship, but he's not down for it. So I was with when I resonating and Nengedam team no sleep, it was I got a father relationship. Yes. I was loved. They're loving people. I was a child. Katikulu nga siri mami's girl. Namfuse daddy's girl. Now I experienced the love of being loved by a male parent. It's still a nice experience getting to know Tinina. Mtu mwenso okubira ne mugamba papa kino kiga. Nakugamba kati nogenda kola boti ne boti.
Do you miss your dad, your real dad?
I do. Sometimes it kicks in. I've not been with him, I've not grown up with him, so I know nothing about him, about his character. But at least I know his voice. Now I miss that.
Oh. Yeah. So singa obafunye chance yogerako naye, what words would you tell him if he's going to watch this show? What word would you want to tell him, to share with him?
I don't know. It gets so emotional. No. I think he's a missing piece in my life. Yeah, I feel like if he gets to involve in my life, a lot will be completed. But I feel like there is something missing in my puzzle, and it's him.
Thank you for admitting that.
No. I be there, sit down, think about him, think about his voice. You call, he picks up. At least nagamba hello. Daddy nze oli otya ndi bulungi obadde ogamba simbadde nsaba twogeremu ndi busy naakujjako, but at least muba mwogedde. Yeah, so I don't know if they had their issues with their mom. I'm not really at this point I'm not really concerned about the issues.
Yeah.
What my concern is my relationship with him. And if he ever feels like omutima gumulumye, mine is ever paining. So he can always call me and I will be there.
And remember, they say blood is thicker than
water, definitely.
Yeah. So whatever happened.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me have not had anything to do with him.
Abazadde basinga naddala kasaba oyogere ku nsonga enjagala nayo oyogereko n'abazadde ng'omwana ekirungo kye mu bulamu ekyo n'obulumi bwe muyitamu nga already the parents were fighting.
At this point abaana babi bajengamu. I think that's what I can say. Newe mubeera nga mulina issues with as parents, don't remove the relationship between a father or no mujjako relationship ne mama we, because trust me, ne bonamu aba mama bameka ku nsi kuno, the love that comes with your actual person nti ono etata wange ono mama wange, it's different and they'll always crave that. Ne weba nonga teri different omuntu ajja bagamba naye njagala mmanye we kimulikika, like someone wants to know the feeling of having a relationship with both parents. So kati me I can be there and see kids ngaline tata we, they praise them to be their superheroes and you'll be like, okay, I think mine would have been my superhero.
Father's Day.
Yes, but he's not there. So there is a trauma, by the way, that you put in your kids if you deny them any of the two parents. There is like a trauma that cannot go away. Kids be having mommy issues, daddy issues. They wake up at night and cry. They will not tell you they are satisfied because you've loved them. But kali, yes, nga ona oliso mwana enkoko n'ennyama n'omwa every good food. Nagende wanaiba nalya ku kamukene. You understand?
Yeah.
So there is always that thing that is missing. Newe kibanga si kirungi nnyo, but don't deny them the opportunity to have it. Muleke.
It's not your place. Wow. Kati ovanga tuzewa Jeff Chiwa akututte.
Yeah.
Ogwa mu gap ya Shiba avudde MTN.
Yeah.
Tukujaji nze.
Yeah. Innocently.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nagenda nze ne bantwala butwazi mu studio. I start singing. Kati ebyaddako it was the public opinions. Kati nali sikiraba nali sikiwulira nakiwulira. Naye nga bagamba oluyimba lwe wayimbye owulikika ng'oli. Now I'm like, I swear me, I went to studio and sang the way I sing all the time. Kati kirayika oba bakyeteeka mu mutwe and they built that perspective. But with time I did other songs and they started adapting to my voice is different. Yeah, Pink is different.
So abantu abasinga bagamba nti bali bakolese kulwana lutalo.
Sina lutalo lwe bannwanyisaako nzi. No. Nze me, I was innocently doing music. Me, when I went to Team No Sleep, I was a child. I was made a child. Era nga wenva mu studio waka, kuva waka, genda kola nenkoma wakati bino assumptions zino calls nga zetusifunako call concerning like maybe oba muyimbi mulala oba the calls were wasuze bulungi, did you eat, are you healthy,
yes.
Are you good? I'm like, yes, I am fine. Okay, encha tugenda kola kino, luli tugenda kola kino. That is it. Chino techigoyenze right. Chino chintawanyizamu papa okay wanogenda kola boti ne boti. Like that. Kati bine ebintu I didn't even have an industry talk with him. No. Okay. It was all about me and my music.
Feeling yali etyo kubanga oli mu system eri organized obulungi, because I hear Jeff Chiwa ali so
chimbonyabonyeza nyo actually like working with anyone else. Because ndabira ddala nga nze I was groomed in a different way. Kati bwenda omuntu nga any slightest unprofessionalism, I don't settle for it. Now, my standards were set so high. Yeah, a lot of people keep judging. Pinky has gone to this management, Navayo, and then some keep blaming it on you. Behavior, you're not morally behaved or anything, but it's not like that. I was raised different. I was groomed different in this industry. Now, if it's not proper, I don't settle for it.
Wow. What did you live?
Actually, I had how do I say it? I had issues with my ground manager, not Papa. I had issues with my ground manager who were both girls. Me, I was young. I was turning 18. Now, and then you're with a fellow girl that feels like, oh, kanakawala katikata, you know. So we started getting little indifferences, and then he was like, "You have all the time in the world. Me and Mori is here, but as for now, but I am always here." Yes. I'm like, okay, Papa. because it was not out of even anger. And actually at this point, it is a decision. It was a blessing in disguise, because even leaving him has exposed me to another world I really needed to get exposed to, because I was spoon-fed in the beginning. Now, if singa kyasigala wekityo era still nina ebintu byonna ndyeko togedde obutalaba ng'omuntu. But now I've seen a lot. Now people have taught me, the industry has taught you, the ones that were there when you were with the big man, they start to run away, and you get to know, oh, this wasn't my friend. This was just trying to keep in my circle because I was with the other person. Now, kati abo bonna n'obayiga. But then, remember, they ran away, but at least Chena single caller was to maintain the relationship between me and Papa. Yeah. Newembera nga sina luyimba nga lubuze, njajji kuba mgaye Papa nti kati lubuze. Akugambe jangu tugende mu studio. Yes. And if you see my recent projects singa zonna, mbadde nzikolanga mulimu logo ye.
Yes.
Because bigaana ne mukubira nantwala mu studio ne tukola.
Because nakyo kyatawanyanga ate wakimu mu logo ye ate nga yavaayo.
Yeah.
Kati nga tugamba maybe.
I kept the relationship. And then the people that I tried to work with after that, they were good. I don't even want to say they are bad, but as I said, my standards were raised so high. Kati kintawanyizaamuko, because bwe ndaba ono ng'akola kino ng'atenze mmanyi nti this is the road we tulina okukolera ekituufu, nengezaako okugamba gwe n'ogamba n'okujja ku luno oluguudo. So kanemberawo ne ndaba olulo we ndaba nga lutambula tululi wakati naye nga terulina kyelustepping. See, I told you this was the way to go. No, if you don't go this way, then I'm not going to do that. Yeah.
Tagala kwemenya.
It saved me from signing unnecessary contracts, because me, I was with Papa, I didn't have any contract. No. Kati si signinga. I'm like, if the real deal didn't make me write down, now why would I settle and write down with someone that...
Tolowooza nti boyinza okuba nga towandise nga kirina kiyinza okukkufiriza in future, just in case kikola things out.
I have rights to all my platforms. Okay. I have rights to all the music I do. Okay. So it has not affected me. Maybe it can, but it has not yet. Okay. And I am building my path in a way that some mistakes jemanyi nti eno wekikola ejja kunkola kino nze wali zikola. Okay. Yeah.
So whatever artist bokolaganye nabo nja kuwayo grenade. Yeah. Kapicha kanyumira nnyo.
Thank you.
Relationship yamwe eri etya naye?
Good. I have a mutual good relationship with all artists that I've worked with. Yeah.
Are you dating?
Nope. Never.
Abantu bagusala omugambo naffe tugubaka.
Anti ngambye nze nali mwana kati nina ebintu ebimbe njagala clearinga mu mitwe gyabwe. Me, I was a kid. Ntandise kula kati turning 20. Naye mbadde mwana kati bano abantu, they didn't embrace me. Papa teyabawa kifaananyi kyako embracing nga kawala ke bagenda kwana. No, they took me in as a little sister. Yeah, I've always been that to them.
Your challenges kizosanze meanwhile mwene olina period gyobabaddemu?
Abasajja bali easy. The girls tend to okubeera mu kali akabeera k'ekiwala, but I learned to stay away from that. Okay. I keep in my lane. I love my own space. I'd rather go and read a novel than engage in any drama that will put me somewhere okubeera ne issues n'omuntu. Yeah, once bitten. So I had some issue with a fellow girl in the industry. I really hate it. I don't like it. I don't even like the fact that people would perceive me na wembu so beda nga nine mbeda ku muntu munange. I'm not that type of person. I was raised in a good manner. I was raised in a Muslim family. Not even that, but I was raised well. Manye ekitali kyange, manye ekyange. I know comparison is the worst poison, so I don't do that. Yeah. I keep to myself, and I'm a sweet, jolly girl, so kind of short-tempered. So sometimes I stay away from things that are gonna trigger my temper. That's why I stay away from some people sometimes, and I keep to myself. But I make sure I keep a good friendship with these people. Yeah.
Onapo jogende jenjagadde nnyo okuddamu okatize eri abaana abawala naddala emyaka gyo 16 to 20 oba 25. Yeah. Be comparing nnyo ku bantu.
Very bad thing to do.
Also, expounding on that. How bad?
it's actually the worst thing anyone can do. N'abatali mu myaka gyaffe emitono abakulu bakula ne bagenda nakyo and they start comparing themselves to other people, but buli omu alina ekkubo lye, buli omu alina omukisa gwe. Katonda alina gwe yaplanningira okutambulira mu Range Rover, alina gwe yaplanningira okutambulira mu lyato. I think what we should prioritize is content. Are you contented? Weebase bulungi, walidde, oli healthy, oli good? That is a good life. Oli byayongerezaako, those are complementaries. Bwayongereza ku bulamu bwe. If God blesses you as well, alhamdulillah, you go for it. Ekitali kikyo gwe kasitobera nga oli contented, obutebenkevu, I think is the best thing.
You know?
Yeah. No te comparing ku mulala oli yayambadde kali nange kankanoonye nope. Kigenda kuleetera ekibeera mu mutima ekijja n'okukulemesa okukulaakulana. My mom used to tell me, however bad life throws at you, buli kibi ensi kyekusuulira, keep a pure heart. When you're always pure, olabanga kajealous kayiseemu n'ogamba oli alina kyalina nze sikiina, gamba ya Allah, alhamdulillah akirina, nsaba onkingirize kyempulidde okimpemu ekisinga obulungi, okirekaawo. It is not yours. Keep a pure heart. Ebiri pure bijja kujja gy'oli. So when you keep a pure heart, tofa ku byabalala, totunuulira byabalala, focus on yourself. Be confident of who you are. Bijja kwewaza comparison ebyo byonna olekerawo okwecomparinga ku balala. Buli omu Katonda yamutonda nga alina speciality. Buli omu alina waasinga munne. Buli omu ne gw'olaba nti akusinga, wallahi olina ky'omusinga. So ekyo ky'omusinga, it's your pride ky'olina okwekwata.
Ola ajja kugamba nti bwe se comparing sijja kuva mu comfort zone.
Bw'omanya ky'oyagala kikujja mu comfort zone. Bw'omanya when you set a life goal, it takes you out of the comfort zone. If you have the urge to be a better person, someone else doesn't have to first be a better person to give you the urge to make yourself a better person. Gwe mwennyini eyo urge gy'olina ejja kumakinga the better person that you want to be. Yeah.
Abaana balaba ku internet nga birthday etuuse n'akola wish list.
Mane nnengeri gye nagivaako.
Bannange mwamutegeeza ki?
Abantu baba bawandiika bye baagala babawe. I've not done one before. Tomanya nange ndikakola. Buli omu aba awandiika kyayagala ndowooza omuntu wamuwe. Buli omu alina ky'aba ayagadde, ky'aba ayagadde okukola wish list ye. Naye I don't know, me, I don't believe in them. I've not done one.
Kuliko ebintu n'otya.
Abaana balina ba rich friends.
Balina ba blessers.
Balina ba blessers. But bw'olaba oli ng'akoze wish list nga gwe tolina bagenda kubikuwa. That's when you get the urge to better your life and make better friends.
Exactly.
Make good people, make beneficial friends abagenda okutuusa ku kyoyagala. Naawe tomanya ojja gikola ng'olina basobola ogikuwa obusobozi nga weebuli.
You know? Kwa ojja kwagala ogambe nja akateete yako pink ke yayambadde nkenjagala. Tomanya ayinza okuba alina boutique emwambaza.
Tekanyumira mbiri gwe bannaye
nokafuna ayinza okugenda nagwa mu bizibu,
oyinza okusanga nga nze nakambadde ne kakulabikira bulungi, ogenda kambala kaleme nakulabikira bulungi, so gete ekigenda okulabikira obulungi.
Kakutuddeko bulungi. Oh my God, wanyumye nnyo. So nga tuzeeyo ku music. Music ono omusala gwo ogwasooka gwali gwenkana ki? Yagukolamu ki?
Simanyi musala gwange gwasooka.
Tokyabijjukira bijjukira.
I've been nalinga receiving sente kati samanya musala guno oba gwobadde musala oba tegubadde musala, because even without musala they used to give me money all the time. Okay. Nga bampa sente ez'okwekumisa zenina okubeerako nazo. Kati nga just wayo n'olunaku erukeera n'oyimba bulungi ne bakuwaayo akakadde. You've done good in studio. So I don't remember my first salary, but I've been receiving money.
Oh, your papa yennyini musigazi oyimbye bulungi mu studio akwayo akakadde. Wow.
Nakugamba eyo line bw'ogiyimba ng'ekulemeredde ndakuwa $3. Nofafaagana nayo n'ogiyimba nakuwayo $3. So I've been receiving money. Maybe sente nyingi ndowooza ze nafuna. I think I received quite a big amount of money at once, and I just opted for land because nali njazizanyiseera.
Mwana ku myaka gy'olina n'ettaka lyo?
Ejjajjange omukazi sha pozi nga si ejjajjaawo. Kaakati wano wabaddewo kano akataka nno naye waliwo wano akatunda ka emergency kati twandikaguze ako kagulanga ddamu akubiri akugamba kati waliwo oli neeyaguze n'akomya wali lwaki tetumugula ffe ne tweyongerako kuba atunda n'akuteeka ku pressure. Now you'll find yourself doing these things nga totegere nakutegera nti I'm doing things that will maybe benefit me in the future. n'okikola because maama yakwesibyeko kana kataka tugenda nno kukagula nga tuna kyakukola ntukagula kati nno tugenda kukola ekyapa kyawo bali batuwa endagaano kale maama you process and do it. So
wow.
I have abantu abandi emabega bakubeerako like they want me to be that girl. So kyemba seroowoleza bajja kindoowoleza bangambye nno kati ogenda kukola bwoti.
Naye naye bagenda kikulowooza nga naawe okyagala.
Yeah.
Because yakusanga omuntu you advise naye walibadde ogula mukyala kati tokikola leka njagala mmotoka eno.
Sinnagigula naye nja gigula kuba kati ndaba I think oba ndi mbadde n'abantu aba prioritizing ebintu nga biri better than ebintu bya luxury. Kati ojja kusanga nze abantu bembadde bonna bali mu mata oli aguza amataka oli ayina ettaka li wali eri ettaka li wali kati nange ngamba we nabeerewo n'amataka gange nga wano ninawo amataka gange ne wano ne wano ne wano nja kutuula relaxing.
At 20, wow. Wow. Well done.
Thank you.
Kisinga okulya ssente zo. Okutwala ssente zo. Ogyeko ettaka.
Okutwala ssente zange. In my normal life oba ki? I would go for movies. Ha! Gym membership is expensive, guys. Gym membership is expensive, but I think sina bintu bingi byenkola my home body. If I'm not in the gym, I'm at home. If I'm not home, I'll go maybe and read and watch some movies at the theater. Still come back home and read my novel. Mbera neyo genda zenga ndowooza katabo kange. Kati kali wali mmotoka nzikira chapter kwe nakomya, I'll be there and sit down and read. I spare some time and get off the internet, get off the phone and read a few chapters in my day. Yes, sina bintu bingi bitwala sente zange.
Okay. Are you alone?
I can be all. I can be both. I can decide to be in my lane. Nimala omwezi nonga mulamba nga tewali andabye. Balaba liso
lumozo lalyoka. Wala kyovaamu.
Then there are some days you find my friends gaba kugamba I am the loud mouth, I am the stubbornest. So I can choose to be any. It depends on the mood.
What's your favorite song? Zona zo wali oyimbe.
Walwao.
Around. Does it talk about you?
The whole video concept talks about a true story, about everything, the events that have happened in my life. Yeah.
But you know the music industry, kyolooza ekibulamu kati okuba wooli woojagala.
We need to change our mindsets as Ugandans. Ne tulekerawo kutunuulira the local part of music, ne to expanding our music industry because we are capable. We have it all. I was in Kenya. I was seeing the way Kenyans act. I'm not coming after Kenyans people in a good way, but all about the way they dress, the way they see like perspective more and then you come back home and reflect. We have a better sense of fashion, better sense of taste. Like we have the capability of taking over Africa just to to some mindset yafe n'okwewagira ndowooza tweyagale ffe nyini ffe tulina okwefuula the big artists that we want to be.
Ki kyotegera ku copyright law?
Eyo yo bambi bandigituwadde kwanza singa sikyabonaawo because man those international artists akuba oluyimba lumu and these people can sing kasitabeera ng'afunye attention y'abantu nti waliwo abasobola oluyimba ne bwe ba crowd ya 1 million people aba amaze okutereeza future one song kati wobeera ng'olina variety of like 7 songs nga they are all hit songs naye nga tuzituulidde wano with no copyright law future yaffe just bagikuttemu kwasi tebaagala bwagasibeere bagagga naye bandi tuwadde copyright law. It helps somewhere because digital money ezijja nazo teziri as much as si nyingi. Togenda kukola $1 million out of music box for Spotify audio mark by listeners. We need the copyright okumakinga at least tutekewo but newe bakendezaho kale kuze tufuna kuba kyeka bayinza okutya tuyinza ogaggawala basinga but tubeko ka 50% because abaana balina music kati ffe gwe tulina and the way it has worked they are billionaires outside countries naye kati ffe batuulidde sente zaffe because batumye copyright.
Bakiwulidde bakikoleko nga bukyali. Ani muyimbi wo?
Rihanna.
Omuwala oba omukyala?
Rihanna. I love Rihanna.
Mu Uganda?
Mu Uganda? Abaana be Uganda bayimba bonna baagala. I love Rihanna. I love everything about Rihanna. Here at home, I love a lot of musicians. I appreciate good music. I appreciate talent. omuntu wajja nayimba akayimba akalungi yishia ojja kunsanga nga nkadigida nga nakayimbye. But I love all artists and most especially my female artists. Baagala nnyo.
Rihanna kiki osinga okumwagalako? Yakatwayo nezadde oba tuwadde ggwe.
Naye naye omulaba yasooka kuzikola neziwera n'alyoka abazaala. Nange kyasinga okumwagalako. The aura, the way she carries herself, the aggressiveness she puts in when she's singing, she communicates. She how can I say it? She brings out what she's talking about with her facial expression, the aura, the body language. I think I just love everything about her.
Social media ojja handling otya bannange waliwo weetabuka
ngesimu njiteeka mu kanyonyi nanzira mu buliri bwange nga mbaleka. But I laugh about it. Actually, me, I'll laugh because I took my time with my emotional intelligence, so not buli kimu nti nkirabira mu perspective abalamu balowooza mwengendo kirabira. When you feel like you're mocking me a lot, I will stand on your side and we mock me together. I will laugh with you guys. I swear, I will not even be offended at all. But all kati kino nkikoze kigenda mulumi nkwegatako ne tumusekerera.
Oba muwangudde.
Because mba manya amazima, sometimes mba ndaba n'ekintu kyemuliko tekirina nnyo makulu, so nga sina kiwanya obudde.
Oyogedde n'ogamba nti kale bw'okyogedde kalulu nga tutandika wagambye nti wayitayo kati you have healed. Baana bangi naddala emyaka gye mulimu egyo bali mu depression ne resortingira mu biragalalagala abamu they are struggling okukomawo ki ekyakuyamba?
Katonda. For real, the temptations are too much. Naye kiba kuggwe oba nangeri gye baakukuzaamu kubeera n'abantu bootiiririra nti kati mami anandaba atya nga ndi mu eno state. Okay, how will the boys look up to me when I do such a thing? Kati just neweekomako ng'omuntu, you rethink your decisions. Kati mbagende bagambe bato bange Rahma ali mu rehabilitation. Now mami ngenda mutunula ntya mu maaso mbu nga nvudde mu rehab mbadde ku biragalalagala. Like I think nina bentiiririra mi, I think kinyambyeko. Kati mbogenda ati oti ewa papa nga wakoze kino agenda kutunuulira atya. Now I have shame. Ndowooza nze saava ku nsi njiriko nina bentiiririra bengamba kati sisobola kino because of this one. Nemba sikyekoledde kulwanga, I'll do it for the people abansuubira okubeera a better person.
Okay. The tattoos you have on your body.
Yeah.
Zitegeeza ki?
Every tattoo I have on my body has a meaning. So now this is my date of birth. This one.
Lulimi kyoro.
Roman numerals.
Okay.
Asoma math. So if you know how to, this is 2004, July 12. Now
this flower?
The flower is just a rose. I like roses. Okay. Now this is an egg. It's kind of cracked.
Okay.
When an egg is cracked, yes. Now me, I'm a cracked egg. A cracked egg. Okay. No one is supposed to mess with me. Like I'm that delicate. Yes. Yeah. So no one is supposed to break me.
Okay.
So this is my name, Rahma. I love it. It means mercy. Yes. Now this is my face.
Is that you?
Yeah, this is me.
Oh yeah, that's you.
I was young. This is my little face. I told myself when Kula, I'll remember myself from here. This was my young version.
Okay.
So this
kind of cute.
This is a butterfly, Chirimbimuli. So they say butterflies represent special people.
Yes.
Maybe Abatu Vako. Now I have a little brother, Alianzirako. He died after like 2 weeks. Yeah, so I put a flower here and a butterfly to remember him. Yeah. Now
and the numbers, these ones?
This is today, tomorrow, and forever. I'll be that girl.
Oh wow. Wow, you girl.
So this is Anfield. I'm a Liverpool fan.
Hey, you never walk alone.
Yeah, we don't walk alone. This is Anfield. It's a place I want to go to.
Yeah, so kayo.
My heart is broken. But neng and agenda.
Liverpool.
I think njagala omupiira gwabwe bali bankako wagira Chelsea.
Ani oya kwakaka.
Ba brother bange ba uncle bange. I used to address them as my brothers because nakula wembalaba. My uncles bali ba supporting Chelsea. Now at home Chelsea was the deal. We want Chelsea. Now they used to force us to watch football. Play omupiira gwa Chelsea nga tubya tugula nenga tulagwa Chelsea gokka. Now when I grew up nga tali so tegeera, I was with my friends kabagenda laba mpira. Nena mpira gwa Chelsea ne Liverpool nenga nene okange nenda be kumpira so nkikola nga ntegeera nga nzijeko biri ebyekitonti nkuze kyempulira awach nga ba Liverpool basinga bano okusamba ngamba this is the team so zirayo nenda omupiira again kati nengenda nga mastering abantu nga buli wenda omupiira gwa Liverpool gwa gusinga okunyumira I like the way the tension and the way they play so nentwala tension nagenda okulaba abazanyi bamanyi buli kimu nkimanyi kati nembeera so obsessed kati Liverpool teso abangi genda kusamba nga siri awe
teri stress okitege togenda kaddiwa
bagenda kutukaddiya tujja kubawulira naye tujja terera
tegedde so nga tuze ku relationship how many kids you want to have?
Kids, actually me I'm going to be a mother actually wenfuna sente nenkuba jackpot yange sawa zino nefunayo obuwumbi bwange nga buubwo me I'll give birth
ozalira sente
kasambera nga ngenda sobola omulabirira nsagala muzaale nga agenda bona
omwami ali waawo bagenda kufuna dona
ataliiwo naye abajja kufunika because I think that you see the trauma I have me I don't even think mbu njagala nzalireyo omusajja omugagga mbu alabirira abaana no me I was raised by a single mom mulabi single handedly nga atwekuliza now that's where I get nze nfuna sente zange nga ndaba nsobola okuzaala nenkuza omwana wange ngenda muzaala because me I want to be a mother so but I want to put a meaning with there kati wenzifuna nga bukyali that's a young mom
kati gwe toyagala omwana wo omwekiri kyomisinga ekirungo ngala mami ne daddy
no, me, I'll make sure I keep a relationship between omuntu yenna gwe nabanzaddemu omwana n'omwana wange. I will not take that away because I know how bad it is.
Okay. Natuwumba kiki omuntu kyatakumanyiiko? Tugakale abantu nanga bagamba kino naye ng'ate
abantu tebamanyi. Generally. If I see how they pursue me on the internet, that's stubborn. They even called me a druggie. You guys should stop. A stubborn druggie girl. Beta bansanga wano. Wesanga wano nga bakogerako kano. Ne bakogerako kali. But behind cameras, I'm a child. I'm a girl. I'm a well-raised girl, by the way, thanks to my mother. I'm reserved. I love my space. And I'm a loving person. So if you meet me anywhere, I tend to have an attitude on my face. Teva kanga nange kweli. But when you approach me, I'm a soft girl. I'm a sweet loving girl. So you can always come and say hi. Yeah, I think abantu bampasivinga mungeri ndala nyo on the person I am.
I was a Jakuba testimony because the first time I messaged her, engage yazem like omanyo bosoma kati nganze communicator olaba ngono omuntu ali humble akuzeddwa bulungi. Please keep it up. Wanacho missing chwakola ngedda kati oba celebrity cha bwachikujjako
zanyira mu nkuba
seba celebrity jakurada
growth has taken that away from me but I saw ngenda chikola njakudda mu chikole
ozanyirako mu nkuba
nazanyirako mu nkuba ne mukuzanyira mu nkuba kwanyuma ngedda lwakuba sinafuna bamesa ite binyuma ngozanya weka olina okufunayo abantu nga nabo bakyagala ne mwegatta ne mufuna olunaku ng'enkuba etonnya ne muzanyira mu nkuba ebisigadde ntubirabira mu ddwaliro
banange mama musiraamu n'ebirala byonna tebali kibayogera ku dress code yo ng'omukyalo omusiraamu
actually nze nakola ne umra by the way ngende emeka
Hajat onzisi Hajat yokoze oti
but yes now that is it. It's just ngobanga kye batamanyi like people don't know me like nso kwambala bwenti naye eddiini eri ku mutima sina muntu agenda nakujjambulira eddiini bw'aginteeke nze ne Allah wange ffe tumanyi the reason as to why yakeda ku machana ampita because ayita bayagadde to go there nangamba jangu it means yali asomye omutima gwange nga tafudde na ku dress code yange and he invited me the way I am so dress code yange has nothing to do with my religion era ojja okunsanga nga nkubyeko abaya ku mwendo gw'ekiro nga ndi ku musaala so ndina Hajat you see you guys
so basically omutima wo guli mu habaya gwendeko n'akadisa we kati
nakadisa wekati
akaninja
kanihati kambala but I think it's part of me bwoba olina Katonda nabyo birala relationship with God is also something that is so healthy era nze wemmala ennaku nga ziizo nga sinnaba kwogerako ne Katonda wange mpulira nga buli kimu kyesibye oddayo ku musaalo n'olaba nga everything kitadde
bw'onyinga kikyokola
nsalayo daaka 2 kuba ndina obusungu I'm short tempered kati I isolate nengenda nensalayo daaka zange 2 nemberawo ku buliri bwange ate nze apologies don't really work on me to ease my temper I just need to work on it myself kasita neetereza I've forgiven you good.
Okay. Tusiibula abaana abawala bali out there, what message do you have for them? are still struggling, want to be like Pinky, who want to be better than you. Abagala okuva mu ssomero.
Ate abagala okuva mu ssomero musome. Abaana abawala wobanga toli ku bwangwe wakatovaayo. Don't go away from home. Stay home. Bino musimanyanga nveeyo nepangisize, musimanyanga newaggule ku myaka emito. No. If you still have the opportunity to be home, gochayina abazadde bo bakyakwetaaga ewaka, they still love you at home, please keep their life out. Adulthood is a trap. The more you grow, the more you fade into it.
It's a scam.
Yes. A very big scam. Era buli wempula ngamba oba ki ekiriyo mu maaso ekirala kye sinnalaba. I regret the statement I used to make. Mbu bwe nkula nze ngenda embrace childhood, love it, enjoy it when you still have it.
So don't rush.
No, don't rush. No, don't rush.
Omuziki okyakuba? Olinaani kati? Who is managing you?
I have a team. They ndize kind of video but I have a team.
So in your music compare gwe twatulinda this year?
Yeah. I wanted to do releases in January. Yenna ne mumwonoona. Yabadde afudde. Internets are all politics all over the place. So we gave it space. Now we're looking out for this February. Katimita and Sotede, and we have space to release. So anytime. Yeah. I'm looking out for an EP because people have been craving a lot of music. So I'm looking out to release like 6 songs at once. Yeah, but all good music.
Okay. So mutabaitaze your music amusangawa?
Pinky Official UG everywhere. YouTube, Buliwam, every musical platform. Pinky Official UG.
Anna, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
I can't wait to have you again.
It's going to be a pleasure.
Kakati omwami namuleese.
Bane munonya nga naye bwanonya.
Otegedde.
But Ugandan men have an issue with intelligent women. Babatya.
Why?
I don't know. I've encountered like a situation with 2 people, 2 mature people that understand, and they keep on telling me, because someone was telling me now, and men don't want women like that. Men want women, and me, I'm not that kind of woman. Wow. So whoever is looking out for an intelligent woman, I think that's who I am.
I'm going to take a meza. I'm going to take a contianga tesibala. You understand?
Yeah, I understand. They are really frightened. That's actually but I have everything in line. I am hardworking. Everything is okay. But there is no man that wants to take me. They're afraid of you.
Kaja kwa bulungi. Wama bomala graduation wetuka ngompita. Ogana kuda mukusoma?
Yeah, of course. No, not this year. Not this year, but near future. Kansoke mpeze like 25.
25 ungayo wala.
Njagala kola kintu kyabu kade newe n'abanzadde. Something I'm gonna do. Because right now I have music, I have it's a moving nga bwenjagala moving on its pace. Kati I feel like with time nja kuddayo nekyejagala majoringa in sinti mulimu ngenda kufuna omulimu ngende mbungukole. No, it's something I do out of passion. Because I'll go major in literature, maybe sit down and retire with a book, something like that. So it's not really something ekiri kyendi mu kurashinga about.
Kati mpayo kapicho no so kampa kapela.
Antimba uwi botaba faini mfuba ko kukola saini oluwomboro mukwano daini byonna bikola what should I need ngojeko gwenjuba mu omwati anjagaza okula nze wali tebabula mu bunuma ate bokumba mtima gonsuma cha
kuba picha
tekitandise kigwa kitya
cha. Thank you so much, sweetheart.
Welcome. It's a pleasure. I'm really humbled to be here.
Kale, until next time, Ruth Karibelo Bwanika, mubere bulungi. Ciao.